Amphibie Crochet. Prepare to be dazzled by red hats and mushrooms. Today we're going to look at garden gnome crochet patterns. And they are cute, cute, cute. Like this awesome little gnome family. Oh, the baby is absolutely adorable. I think I have some close-up of the individual members. There they are. All with the matching red hats. And here's Grandpa with his awesome wild beard. Little girl, little baby. And another garden gnome or gnome with a bit more elaborate, bit bigger. And he's ready for some gnomey hugs. Or not, you know, if you're not thus inclined. But he's a cool little fella. Here's a sweet, sweet small one who brought his own little mushroom house and little critter friends, little hedgehog and a little ladybug there. And look how cool his crooked hat is. I love that. Two little shy ones hiding behind their little flowers, sweet little curl in their hats, and a little leaf there. Very sweet. They're adorable. They're just very cute. And these old little gnomes love to fish. They have their own rods and they actually caught some fish. I think I have some more. Here he's fishing with his little rod. How cool is that? A cute little fish. And he's a happy little fella. Look at him with his belt buckle and his massive big smile. And without a beard, he looks a little younger. He has little red cheeks there. This one is a bit more elaborate, larger, has a very cool beard. I very wonder how this is crocheted, and I love the ears popping out like that. And he is holding sort of a Christmas type bouquet. Here he is again. And he's waving at us. This is a cute little fella. The hat is pulled far over his eyes, his massive ears. It's adorable. And if you pull off his hat, he has a little kiss on his bald hat. It's so cute. This is one of my favorites. He's such a friendly looking fella with his big flower and little butterfly friend. He's sort of the classic garden gnome, isn't he? And he has such friendly eyes. He's so cute. This was a cutie as well. I love the straight beard, and he has all the trimmings of the cool garden gnome with the little hat, little boots, and the red hat. He has a very spindly legs. I love that. So these are the garden gnomes for today. I hope to see you again soon, and I wish you happy crocheting. Bye bye.